I knew that I wanted hydronic heating, and I was desperate to find a radiator system that would be propelled by electricity rather than gas. Jonathan Dawson worked with me around the location of all the radiators in the room, and that was important because I've got pieces of furniture, artwork and windows. I wanted the heaters to complement rather than detract from the appearance of, and I think he's done that really well. Hydronic heating is quiet, efficient and effective, which is perfect for my needs. I'd absolutely recommend Dawson Heating and Cooling. I found dealing with the team really easy, and they responded to all of my needs.